everybody. This is a little bit of new growth from the elder, our elder plant here in the garden. I'm out here in one of the gardens, checking it out, and I decided I'd make some elderberry extract. I love elder. I love using the bark, the leaf. You can even use the root. And of course the berry and the flower, for different things, and especially internally, I use the flower and the berry, and it's incredible medicine. Everybody's into the berry, especially this time of year. Elderberry syrup is what you hear over and over again, and it's amazing qualities, of course, which they are quite amazing. It's an amazing plant, amazing qualities as a, kind of I hate to use the term antiviral, but it really is great to use if you're starting to feel like you're getting sick with the flu or with the cold. It tastes really good, and I use the flower probably more than I use the berry, but the berry is wonderful to make medicine from. So figured, let me go ahead and do a really quick kind of overview video of how I like to make an elderberry extract. I don't like syrups, especially not with sugar in them. I do like honey a lot, especially as a solvent, but I like to do a multi-solvent, multi-fractional extract. That sounds complicated, but it's really not. So let me run through the steps real quickly and just kind of narrate them or have them in text so that you can see in case you're interested in doing this. And of course, as always, if you're interested in more detail and a lot more depth to this, then check out our school. This is the kind of thing we do all the time. We have multi-fractional extract intensives, 3-day intensives, where that's all you do. We have a 1-year online apothecarist course that is the best. I obviously have a little bit of opinion about it, but it is the best medicine making course out there that I know of anywhere online in the world. And we also have 6 3-day different intensives over different types of medicine making that are part of that course. So overall, it takes about 1.5 years to get through the course, or you can just do the online portion if that's all you're interested in. But it's incredibly interactive online course, and I love this course. It's coming up, the external version of it, the external part, which is making external medicines, is coming up in just a few weeks. I think it starts in January, late January, maybe early January. I can't remember. Anyway, check it out. Check out our site, thehumanpath.net or herbalmedics.academy. That's herbalmedics.academy, or if you go to thehumanpath.net, you can click on the herbal medicine link there, and that'll take you right there, and check that course out. All right, so check out how to make some elderberry extract, multi-fractional elderberry extract.